Hi, folks. This is John with Remodeling Wizards of Maryland, and I'm here today as part of our Ask the Contractor series to answer another question that just came in. Now, this question came from Ryan H., and it says here, I have a tile kitchen backsplash. I want to replace it with a new tile backsplash. I have two questions. Do I need to replace the drywall? And do I need to remove the kitchen cabinets? Great question, Ryan. Thank you for sending it in. Real simple answer is no. You do not need to remove the cabinets, and you do not need to remove the countertop in order to take the old tile off and then to replace the drywall. And the reason why you even need to replace the drywall is that typically when you take the tile off, you actually tear and you damage the drywall behind the tile. Now you have this damaged drywall, so you certainly don't want to take new tile and put it over the damaged drywall. It may have holes in it, soft spots, so on. So the way that we typically do this is we just cut the drywall out underneath the wall cabinet and right above the countertop, and we cut out the section where we're going to put the new tile. So that's the easiest thing to do. You take off the old tile, you cut out the drywall below the wall cabinet, above the countertop, put in new drywall, and then put in the tile. The only thing that you might want to do, one added thing here, is sometimes the countertop has a 4-inch backsplash on it. And what I mean by that is if it's a granite top, for example, you might have a 4-inch piece of granite that runs along the back edge. A lot of people don't want that there. They'd rather have the tile start at the top of the countertop and then work its way all the way up to the bottom of the wall cabinets. So that is something else that you might consider. If you do have a 4-inch backsplash that's made out of the same surface as the countertop, you may want to cut that backsplash out and remove it. And when you do that, that's also another area where you can replace the drywall. Sometimes in that space, when you take out the old backsplash, I'm not talking about the tile backsplash, but the countertop material backsplash, sometimes you can pull that off and the drywall isn't so bad. It can be patched and then tiled over top. But the short answer is you don't need to take cabinets out. You don't need to take out the countertop, but you will need to replace the drywall in the section where you're going to be replacing the tile. I hope that answers your question. And if anyone has any other questions, feel free to give us a call, send us a note on Facebook, or just send us an email. And I will be looking at those questions and answering them over the next few videos. Thank you for listening.